everyone. I got my Pampered collection. I found half at HEB and the rest I got from Ulta. So let me just say that I tried this, the lip scrub, and at first I thought it was going to be too dry. And at first, I don't know, it didn't smell right to me. And then I tried it, and it is really good. It tastes good. It feels good. See how the moisture lip balm don't taste like anything, but it feels good. It does smell like they had that Rose collection, that the lip balm from the Rose collection stunk so bad. It had that. All right. I tried this because it doesn't have an insignia. It's a silicone and a sponge. And for me, I don't like silicones for putting on foundation, but for my under eye, for concealers, I really like it because when I put concealers on, they just tend, as I'm patting it in, they just tend to disappear. So I think instead I need like a really thick cream concealer. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my eyes because this comes with like, these are makeup sticks. And really, honestly, it's too big. I think it's only good for blush. But I want to use it as my base color. So let's get that in the eye. Like if you want to do a natural look, this would be good. But for my deep set eyes, this is very, very big. But I'm just using it as the base color. I'm going to use these colors on my eyes. So I'm going to put that yellow again. I'm going to put the deep pink in. And then I'm going to take this burgundy color, and of course that's going to be the contour. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. These are the Care Bear brush I'm using. Oh, they're playing with my grand bunny. My son says he's her bunkle. He says she is his bunnies. And I'm going to use this really light pink on the inner corners. I can't get it in that inner corner. Highlighter is gonna be that pretty beige color. They say this is a face palette as well, but I'm not gonna use it as a. Oh wow, that's kind of dark. Put the. There you go. That's gonna lighten it right up. This pink is kind of chalky, so it definitely needs a second coat. Honestly, this palette is kind of chalky. Like the colors look like they're fading. See if I can get in there. Okay, that's better. Since the makeup stick didn't was too big to go in there. I guess I'm having a hard time getting the color to stick because it is pretty chalky. Let me just see if I can smooth that out a little bit. Just really feels like it's coming off, like it's not sticking. And I put my Too Faced shadow insurance, and it's like the color's not sticking. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna just lift my face a little bit. That's this right here. Oh, okay. Sometimes I see these things so light that I don't think it's gonna work, but it works. Okay. And this is very shimmery. I think it's gonna be too dark, but I want to try it as a highlighter. Okay, that's not bad. I thought it wasn't gonna look right on me, but it's not bad. All right. Let me finish my makeup, and I will come back and do the lips. So hey everyone, this is the finished look. I used the facial spray, but you have to shake it up because all like the shimmer stays at the bottom, and it smells really good. And I just used these two colors together, which I did on camera, but I forgot to press record. And this is absolutely stunning, and this is hard to find. It's not on the Ulta website anymore. Not sure if Amazon has it on the website anymore either. This is really hard to find. But I'm glad I found it on the display of HEB. Glad I found it, because that one, it just seems to be the hardest one to get. So yeah, these, like I said, I did these colors together. One is like a sheer pink with like a tiny bit of glitter in it, but it still comes out sheer. And then this is a glitter type of thing. So I just mixed them together. Honestly, did not like this. The colors are so pretty, but they are patchy. I had to put that dark pink on my eyes over and over and over because it just seems to like fade. Also, I'm not a pin person, but I put the pins here because they're the same, they go in the same direction, so I didn't want to put an upside down pin here. But yeah, I am not a pin person, so that's what I did with the pins. So yeah, I also found out that there is another 3-set sponge from Wet n Wild, the pink. It's like different shades of pink and 3 different sizes. I saw that at the Target website. So far, I have not seen the resets yet. Like I said last week, somebody said they saw a display of the new stuff. Not sure if it's a reset or not. I did find out that Walgreens has some of the stuff on sale in store, but other stuff it says online only, so I'm not sure about that. There are 12 colors to the Lock and Shine. I think that HEB only had 8 to 10 of the colors, and mostly the warm tones. Target and Ulta only have 6 of the 12 colors. Little by little Amazon has been sending me the stuff, so I'm almost finished with the collection. Tomorrow I get 3 more items from the collection, and then I'll just be waiting on, I think, one last color. So yeah, so Amazon does have the 12 colors. You just put in Wet n Wild Lock and Shine, and then it'll, you see all the 12 colors they have. But for some reason Ulta and Target only have 6. Not sure if Walmart, HEB, CVS and Walgreens, I don't know if they're gonna have the complete 12 colors or not. But yeah, I also noticed that the pins don't seem to be available at the Ulta. I believe they were available at Amazon. I believe they were. I'm not sure if they still are. So yeah. Gonna be bleaching out my hair probably for Valentine's Day and putting in my purple, because I'm just really tired of the damage that my hair's been taking. My hair's so, it's like thick in some parts, but because it's so damaged from hair loss, it's thin in other parts, and I'm ready to get my nice thick hair back. But yeah. So anyway, okay, take care. Love you. Mwah.